Never tried this one before. Made lots of sauce, but we have so many of these little cherry tomatoes. I'm just gonna make it up as I go. All right. Yeah, they're cooking. It's gonna be unique. Skin on. I'm gonna put some of these in a Ninja and grind them up, and then let the rest just do their thing. Alright, so it's touched in there and it's kind of broken apart. It's like almost like a puree type stuff. So let me toss these back in that sauce, and all of this stuff just cooked together. There we go. Alright, so I put it in the garlic and the onion powder and some just dry stuff. I didn't really feel like going all crazy with fresh stuff. But I am going to put in a little, like it's just a spoonful of this hot pepper oil that I made about a couple months ago. Spice it up a little bit, let it cook, let it keep simmering for about an hour or so, and put it in some jars. All right, let's see how these cherry tomato ones fared. Sealed. I got one jar in the refrigerator for dinner tonight. All right, 100% success rate.